Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this session, we will see about the concept of sets in Python. So in this session, we will cover what is sets in Python and we will see some of the examples on sets in Python. So let's first understand what is sets in Python. So in Python, a set is an unordered collection or list of unique element. It is defined by enclosing the element in a curly braces which is separated by comma. You can see the example of the sets. There is a set called my set which is equal to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the elements in the sets and it is enclosed in the curly braces. Elements are separated by the comma. And the next point we need to remember that sets are the immutable. So that means we can add or remove elements from them, so it is changeable. So next is the point we need to remember that about set is that sets do not support the indexing because these are unordered, and as list and tuple contains the indexing because list and tuple contains ordered elements, but in case of sets, set contains the elements that are unordered, so indexing is not possible in the case of sets. So now let's see some example. Before that, we can check out some operations in sets. So here is a brief overview of some common set operation in Python. So our first operation is the union, which combines the element from two sets and removing the duplicate. So next is the intersection, used to find the elements which is common in both the sets, and the difference operation will find the elements present in the first set but not in the second set. And the symmetric difference, that means find the elements present in the either of the set but not in the both. So we will see this operation one by one. Let's move to our Visual Studio Code. As you can see here, there is two sets, set 1 and set 2. And set 1 contains some elements, integer elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in set 2 also we have some element 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first operation we are going to perform is union operation. So it will combine the elements from the two sets and it will remove the duplicate elements. For example, you have 4 and in both the sets you have 4 and 5. So the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's run the code and see the output. So here you can see the union 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next operation we will check out will be the intersection operation. So in the intersection operation, it will get only the elements that are available in both the sets. So the result will be the 4 and 5. Okay. So now let's run the code and see the output, and you can see here 4 and 5 is available in both the sets, set 1 and set. It returns 4 and 5. So next we will discuss about the difference operation in the set. So this operation will get the elements from the first set but not in the second set. So it will get the element, those are in the first set only but not in the second set. So in this case you can say 4 and 5 is available in the second set, so it will not take the 4 and 5, it will only take the 1, 2, 3. So we will run this code and the output will be 1, 2, 3. The last one is the symmetric difference, so I will comment this part. So symmetric difference, as I told you, it will work on the elements that are available in both the sets, but it will take the element from both the sets, but it is not similar in the both the sets. That means 4 and 5 is available in the both the sets, right? It is similar. So it will remove this 4 and 5 and it will take rest of the elements. So the output will be 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Now let's run the code and you can see the output is 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. So that's all about the sets and the sets operation. If you like this video, then do comment and do subscribe to our channel. And if you have any suggestion, then please ping us or comment us in codr.help@gmail.com, or you can put in our comment box. Thank you so much.